reason why I wanted to do trading is to be a young female entrepreneur and be a leader to other young females that they can be a successful trader and be financially independent. So I work as a nurse, and another reason why I wanted to do trading was to help the young orphanages overseas and help with my caring factor and help with my financial situation, meaning as though that I can get my financials from the trading and work still as a nurse. The Learn to Trade environment has been great. It's been really motivating. The guys have got your best interest at heart and they want to see you do well and to succeed. I would like to thank Learn to Trade for giving me this opportunity. I'm excited for what the future brings and what I can get out of Learn to Trade.